Hey everybody, Josh for Populi here, and I'm not going to waste your time. Let's talk about recurring payments. This video is for students or anyone who's paying on behalf of a student. In order to pay this way, your school has to allow you to opt in. Students will have a profile in Populi and will be able to go to their profile to Financial Dashboard and click Make a Payment. Anyone else will have a link that takes them to that spot. Obviously, you'll fill this up, but we don't care about this. Don't care about it at all. We care about this field here, payment frequency. Making recurring payments depends on how your school has things set up. So if you get here and you don't see the payment frequency field, your school isn't set up for recurring payments. If your school has enabled the simplest version of recurring payments, you'll see this option. Pay this amount regularly if there's an amount due. This amount refers to the amount up here. Obviously, if you're choosing to pay a recurring amount, you might end up editing the amount that's supplied. When you click here, you'll see the various time frames that your school's allowing you to use. We're showing every option, but you may see fewer. For any option less than a month, you can choose the day of the week for that payment to go through. At a month or more, you can choose the date. And then you can choose when you want this to end. To be clear, that doesn't mean that this will charge you this amount absolutely every month until you cancel. Remember, we have the condition above about paying if there's an amount due. But you can set this up to just keep going whenever there's an amount due, or you can choose for the recurring payment to expire after a certain number of payments. Okay, the last possibility that your school may have set up is a specific payment plan that's potentially more complex than these. Usually, those plans are looking at the charged amount in a given term and then dividing that amount up by percentages. Also, usually equal payments. If that's available, you'll see this. Choose a payment plan. If you select that, you'll then choose a specific set of invoices against which you'll apply those recurring payments. Then you'll be able to choose from the available payment plans. You may have one or more and see how those charges break out. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and input your information and pay as you would normally. But now when you pay, you're opting into those recurring payments. One last thing, when you set this up, you'll get an email that contains a very important link. That is your link to manage this payment. You can pause or cancel. You can change your payment information using that link. So keep it around. But if you do lose track of it, touch base with the financial or billing department at your school, and they should be able to resend that link to you. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.